So hi guys, my name is Sanoj Gupta. I come from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh, and basically currently I am living in Maharashtra, Thane. I am I am working in a private company. Actually, project of for Geo, but our company Pratap Technocraft India Private Limited. So I have I am giving great opportunity. I am learn to the speak English nowadays. So some topic use and give the my opinion. I want to give my opinion. See how can make strategy learn to the speak English. So actually I already learned this language last 30 days continuously, and I tell you about one app, Peer Up app. So very good app. So any person, I think any student, any already interested person learn to the English language. So I request that you install this application, Peer Up app. You go to the your play store and you search Peer Up app, and now first install this application, because according to this application give your support. This application give your support, improve your English. Actually this application give the good opportunity, I think good benefit on this application. I also learn this application. Okay, I also learn on this application every day. Actually this application is very important, very helpful, and whenever I install this I install already this application, I am not speak properly, but nowadays I am speak properly. That times I am not speak in English, but nowadays speak in English correctly. Actually English language not a language, actually this is a arts. Okay, so learning is very important and your practice is very important. So every day I think you also want to the learn to speak English. So I request again and repeat again that you speak in English every day and continue using this application. I'm saying that 100% you learn to the speak English, you will be achieve your goal after 90 days. Any person want to learn to speak English, only for 90 days continuously speak in English and practice English. So I'm saying 100% कि at least slowly speak, but that person learn to the speak English slowly, gradually, no problems, no doubt, no hesitation. You learn your first goal. The first of all, you install this application and start your learning journey on this application. Without practicing, you are not speaking English. We are not compromise our English any other. So every day, my guys, everyone learn to the speak English. So every important, every day, practice. I know your any situation, know your any atmosphere. You are not get any atmosphere, I know. Same here. Actually I already offering, already visited, no my any situation, learning situation, and no any my friend, and I think I am I am talking to in English, but actually continuously usually using this application according to this application. Not any atmosphere, not give me any support, any person, any friend. But I think this application you achieve and you got a lot of people on this application and use every day. So continuously speak English and you learn to the very easily. You focus only for speaking, not focus any grammar. No need to the speaking, focus your grammar, vocab, translation, no need. No present, no continue, no future. Okay, don't mind. You continuously practice. So that's why I promise that you continuously using this application continue, and one day build your life. One day will come your life, you will speak a fluency. So my first thing, you working, you work only for focus speaking. Okay, and I think not focus starting time, your creating time, your initiate time. Not focus in grammar, not focus in vocab, only for focus podcast video. You watch every day podcast video because you can get podcast video, a lot podcast video get on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I think nowadays very simply learn speak English without any hesitation, because I think before you learn, we are learn speak English, so very difficult feeling, because I think 2 or 3 years ago not any good facility by app or YouTube. So I think nowadays very comfortable feel, and you can speak, you can read, you can write English letter, English reading, English vocab, English words, English podcast, English sentence, English newspaper, English movie, English cartoons, a lot of facility on YouTube already, you know. My brother and sister, please, I know sometimes I speak stick, some stuck, breaking, but it doesn't matter, brother. Actually, only one focus and make our focus mind setup is very important in your minds. Become in your minds. You should become your minds. You should become your minds. I am learn. I can learn. I learn English speaking. I learn English practice every day. That's why I learn speak English. I can learn speak English without fumble, without hesitation, without any negative thinking, without any terrible. Actually, learn to the speak English. Main problems come to the main problem our life. Only for fear. Terrible thinking, terrible mind setup. That's why we are not learning speak English. So today you are watching my videos. So continue practice, and today you will take your own oath कि that today I also start today my speaking journey last 90 days. You, I think, very deeply connect to the English every time you, as well as you wake up early morning, first time you think and reminder your mind that yesterday already took a oath that I learn to the speak English. Everyday reminder for self your mind in morning time. So I think you practice every morning 15 minutes to 30 minutes every day. The first and before speaking. How to speak you, it doesn't matter, but continue speak. Without speaking, you are not improve your English. You cannot improve your English. So I request, you recognize your life, you recognize yourself, very need your life, very need our life, because without any extra skills, our life is very low, very lack, I think very lack. I know you go to the any job, okay, you going to the any job. So that time every company demand and every company saying that what is your skill. So my friend, I am again repeat that if my mind already skills, I think English skill, so I request impress you for interviewer. I think you can go in interview, you can go for interview. Suppose that any time, I think you can go, yeah, you are going to the interview, for interview. So your interviewer, the first time only focus for you, that's what is your confidence level, what is your eye contact. So eye contact is very important, face to face talking is very important, your voice is very important, your mouth openly is very important. So every day how will get our fluency, brothers and sisters, no any idea, only for one idea in our minds, only one topic. What is topic? You think again and again, you forcing your mind, open your brain every day, pressure, give the pressure. I can learn to speak English, I can learn to speak English, I can learn to speak English, I can learn to speak English. I am not go back. I cannot go back. But I will go ahead. I will go ahead. I will go ahead. I will go ahead. These are getting. But how? These are getting, but how? Only one point, only one strategy, only one your idea, only one topic, your personal idea. Yourself make your goal. Make will yourself. You will make your goal. How many soon? How soon? How soon you will achieve your goal? You could achieve your goal. Depend for you, depend on you, not any people. I think you join to any class, you are going to the join any class. So teacher, what I do the teacher, brothers and sisters, you focus my topic, you listen carefully. Teachers only for suggest you, teacher only for give a way, showing a way. But cross your way yourself. You had will. You will have to yourself. You will have to cross your road, cross your way yourself. So that's why I am saying you will make today, determine your first intention, become your first intention, become your first intention, become your first intention. How use your words, how use your each words, so very important for you. Then I speak English. English is still very important. So brother, thank you very much. And today I think the last I am saying in the last, brother and sisters, continuously you start your journey, English journey, learning journey, and just will meet you next video. Thank you very much. Good evening.